So do you think it'll be warm tonight?
I sure hope so.
So we've just wandered off in the woods here. We're in a brand new location, and we plan on spending the night in our tent. Tonight's gonna be a little different. We have our summer tent. We have no wood stove. We have no propane for heat. Now that we got camp set up, I gotta go find some standing dead hardwood or firewood. Pure rot. It's no good. This'll do. Just busted my axe the other day, so I got the family, or the communal axe. She's seen a few misses in her day, that's for sure.
So this is our two-person summer tent that we're in right now. We set up our 2 pots right here. We have our sleeping pad and our double sleeping bag.
We also have we put the puzzle piece foam mats to just help insulate as best as we can.
Little tight squeeze.
We can do that. So tonight for dinner, we're just doing a simple chicken ramen over the fire. Cooked some chicken at home and shredded it, and be enjoying it with some sriracha and some soy sauce.
And carrots and green onions. No egg, because we forgot. What? It's so good.
Couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait 10 minutes. Oh yeah.
Okay, get in there.
Got some sriracha. Oh.
Some smoke.
Sugar and soy sauce. Get in there.
I wonder who did that.
Is it you? Shouldn't have.
Mm-hmm.
What's that?
Seasoning.
What kind of seasoning?
Is everything bagel seasoning? That's sesame seeds. It'll work.
Cheers. It's cozy here.
As long as you don't mind having a pink neck.
Yeah. Not a chance. Not a chance. Oh. Oh, it's hot. Cheers to the first campfire of 2022. Cheers, everybody. First of many.
Hopefully warmer temperatures. It's not working.
No. We'll certainly be putting our inside, and well, in here you can see it's 0. So that emergency blanket is really For breakfast, we're doing just a simple oatmeal process, but what can you do?
That's good enough.
This one got some nice pine.
We've never had breakfast.
Oh, jeez. There you go. Oh my god. 7 minutes. The sun's nice. Just finished up our coffee.